Alright guys, there's a couple reasons you could be watching this video. First of all, if you're watching this video, it should be Thursday, February 11th. If not, you're watching the wrong video. Also, you should be in 8th grade math, general math, not in Algebra 1. So Algebra 1 would be a different video. So you should be in my 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, or 7th periods. And it should be Thursday, February 11th. If we're having an e-learning day, this is your e-learning video. If we're not, I'm not here. Okay, I took the day off to go to the baby doctor with my wife. So we're going to cover something new today. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to be given a linear equation and a point, and we're going to try to figure out, is that point on a line or not? Now, I know what you're thinking, that should be pretty easy. I should just be able to look at the line and see if the line goes through the dot. What I mean is you won't be given a graph. You're going to do all of this using algebra, okay? So I do have a couple of examples from a graph just so you can see which points are on and which points are off and how the algebra works out. So if you can't see this, the equation is y equals negative 3x minus 2. Okay, and we have the graph of the line going through here. And we have this point, which is obviously on the line. The coordinates for that one are negative 2, 4. And the coordinates for this one are 1, negative 4. So again, you won't be given the graph. You're not going to be able to just look and tell. But I did want you to see what's going to happen when I do work with a point on the line and when I do work with a point off of the line. So remember, all ordered pairs are written as xy. So what we're going to do is just take the x value, plug it in for x, take the y value, plug it in for y. So if we take this point negative 2, 4, x is negative 2, and y is 4. So we'll take x is negative 2 and plug it in here, and we'll take y is 4 and plug it in here. So I get 4 equals negative 3 times negative 2 minus 2. I get 4 equals negative times a negative is a positive. I get 4 equals 4. True statement, that means yes, this point is on the line. Hopefully you can predict what's about to happen when I do that same thing, but instead I pick a point that's not on the line. All right? I got a true statement when it was, guess what's going to happen when it's not, okay? So we'll just see, just to drive the point home. So this time, let's substitute in x is 1 and y is negative 4. So get rid of my lines here that bother me. So x is 1, that'll go in where x was, and y is negative 4, that'll go in where y is. So I have negative 4 equals negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 minus 2. Negative 1 equals negative 5. That's a false statement, so no, it's not on the line. It is that easy. Substitute in the x where x is, substitute in the y where y is, do your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and at the end, see if you have a true statement or not. If it's a true statement, it is a point on the line. If it's a false statement, it's not on the line. Okay? Let me pull up another one with a graph. just so we know what the answer should be ahead of time. Then we'll do some where we don't know. So this time I have one written in standard form. That last one was slope-intercept form. And it's 6x minus 4y equals negative 24. So that point is missing the line, negative 3, 2. Now you should know that when I do this, I'm going to get a false statement. So let's see how that happens. I'll plug in negative 3 for x, and then plug in 2 for y. I get negative 18, negative 4 and 2 is negative 8, is negative 24. Negative 18 and negative 8 is negative 26, which is not negative 24, so no, this one is not on the line. Okay. Let's do that same thing for this point up here, which is 2, 9, I believe. It's so blurry up close I can't tell. Yeah, 2, 9. And again, you already know what's getting ready to happen. I'm going to get a true statement because you can clearly see it's on the line. But I just wanted you to kind of make a connection between the two before we try some without. X is 2, y is 9. So I get 12 minus 36 equals negative 24. Welcome back to the first day of school. Different signs, keep bigger and subtract. Negative 24 equals negative 24. So is this on the line? Yes, I know it is because here I have a true statement. Okay? So let's try some where we don't know what the answer is going to be ahead of time and see how it works out. So let's start with the equation. Made a little cheat sheet here ahead of time. Let's start with the equation y equals 2x plus 3. And let's see if negative 2, negative 1 is a point on that line. So we have no graph. We can't tell just by looking, but the algebra will tell us. We'll substitute in the x value and the y value. A true statement means yes, and a false statement means no. So y is negative 1, so I'll replace negative 1 over here, or replace y with negative 1. 2 times x, which is negative 2, plus 3. So I get negative 1 equals negative 4 plus 3. Negative 1 equals, different signs, keep bigger and subtract, negative 1. So yes, this one is a point on the line. All right, so that one worked. Let's try 1, 3 and see if that works. So same equation, just a different point. So I'll get 3 equals 2 times 1 plus 3. 3 equals 2 plus 3. 3 equals 5. That's a false statement. So no, that is not a point on the line. So that one did not work. All right, let's try 1, 5 this time. So over here, x is 1 and y is 5. So I get 5 equals 2 times 1 plus 3. 5 equals 2 plus 3. 5 equals 5. True statement. So yes, this one is a point on the line. Okay. Let's try negative 6, negative 9. See if that works. X is negative 6, y is negative 9. So I get negative 9 equals 2 times negative 6 plus 3. It's going to be negative 9 equals negative 12 plus 3. Different signs. Keep bigger and subtract. I get negative 9. So negative 9 equals negative 9. That one is a point on the line. All right, let's do one more from this one. Let's do 3, 0. X is 3, y is 0. So that's 0 equals 2 times 3 plus 3. 0 equals 6 plus 3. 0 equals 9. So no, that one is not a point on the line. That's all there is to it. Substitute both numbers in, simplify. If it's a true statement, yes, it's on the line. If it's a false statement, no, it is not on the line. All right, let's try a different equation. Let's try one in standard form. Let's do 2x plus 4y equals negative 8. Let's try negative 3, negative 1. So x is negative 3, y is negative 1. So that's 2 times negative 3 plus 4 times negative 1 equals negative 8. So that's negative 6 minus 4, positive times a negative, positive times a negative. Same signs, keep and add. However, negative 10 does not equal negative 8. So no to this one. It is not on the line. Let's try negative 2, negative 1. So x is negative 2, y is negative 1. So that's 2 times negative 2 plus 4 times negative 1. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Same signs, keep and add. I get negative 8 equals negative 8, which is a true statement. So yes, this one is on the line. All right, let's try making an ear look like a devil horn. It's kind of creepy. Let's try 0, negative 2. So x is 0 and y is negative 2. So that's going to be 2 times 0 plus 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. 2 times 0 is 0. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 0 minus negative 8 is negative 8. So we get negative 8 is negative 8. So yes, this one is also on the line. Try a couple more, and then I'll let you go do your homework. Let's do 3, negative 4. So x is 3. 4 is y is negative 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times, I don't know why I put an equal sign there. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Different signs, keep bigger and subtract. I get negative 10, which is not equal to negative 8. So no. All right, this one is not on the line. And we'll do one more. Negative 10, 3. So x is -10. Y is +3. 2 times -10 is -20. 4 times 3 is 12. Different signs, keep bigger and subtract. I get -8 equals -8. So yes, this one is on the line. Okay, so it is that easy to do. If you are virtual, your homework is virtual or e-learning, I should say. Your homework is attached on the Google Doc. If you're an in-person student today, depending on what the weather is, you're getting ready to get handed a printed copy of your homework, which will be due tomorrow. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you later.